130 million by the trustees, decided by the trustees. We had 118 million, 18 million the year before, and you can see the structure, how the funding preferences are there for the donors. We have in the past year received over 180 million total contribution, and the year before 190 million. So in the centennial year, it is very justified that the trustees decide for a 300 million total contribution to foundation, and I can see the Rotarians are passionate and energetic, and we can surely reach the goal. About the how, like we talk about the giving to foundation, what has been the participation of the Rotarians. So if we see how Rotarians participate in giving to foundation, it is about 30% of Rotarians giving to foundation. Out of every 100 Rotarians, 30 are giving to foundation. So we have enough scope to increase the contribution to foundation by encouraging Rotarians to contribute in whatever way they can. As for the per capita, it is over $100, and the scenario in India is not so promising. We have about 15% Rotarian contributing to foundation. And in India, the per capita annual giving is $64, which is much below the world average. So we have enough scope of increasing the contribution from India and strengthening foundation. So how, because of your initiatives, passion and efforts, where do we stand? India comes amongst the top 5 countries so far giving to foundation is concerned, and in the last year we did 12.9 million, which gives us the 4th position, and mostly we have gained 3rd or 4th position. And this year the trustees in India and RRFCs have targeted the 2nd position of India, and I know 3190 is going to lead the scenario. So that's so this is as per the giving to foundation. So next is the recipients. So while India is contributing to foundation, is foundation giving back in return? So that has been the question of Rotarians mostly, and here you can see India tops the list when it comes to receiving from foundation. So if we go by the number of grants implemented and number of grants approved, India is at the top. And if we go by the amount of grant, the sequence changes, but India still is at the top. So it is the top recipient in terms of grants. So it's very justified we top the list when it comes to giving to foundation. So far, major gifts are concerned, we have named endowments and term gifts, on which Rotarian Suresh Reddy is a big expert now, and maybe he knows more than I do now. So when we come to named endowments, India is a 2nd position. There has been concern among Rotarians that earnings are low and we do not receive the earnings from named endowments, but still you can see we are at the 2nd position. And for utilizing the spendable earnings, you can submit a spending plan through your club president, and DG will approve the DDF for your project. So it's quite easy to use your spendable earnings, and please encourage Rotarians in your clubs to make named endowments in honor of their loved ones. As for term gifts, it's very popular in India, and Bangalore is certainly leading in this scenario. In India, we have made $4.6 million from term gifts till date. Over the last 3 years, this is a relatively new program, and it's very popular in India, while it has not been so much popular in other parts of the world. But India, it has got a lot of support from corporate, so please encourage your business partners and friends who have corporate foundation or has personal account to support their projects of their preference within the area of focus of foundation, and strengthen foundation through their philanthropy. Now we come to participation. So you know, the worldwide we have 1.2 million Rotarians, and in India it is over 1 lakh. And 10% of Rotarians worldwide are from India. That is, for every 10 Rotarians worldwide, 1 belongs to India. So if we consider the districts, we have 535 districts world over. In India, we have 36. And clubs, total is more than 35,000. India has more than 3,000 clubs. And 10% of all clubs belong to India. That is, out of 10 clubs in Rotary International, 1 is from India. So that is the level of participation of India. So there is enough reason we strengthen foundation by engaging through contribution and in community services. So when it comes to membership, India is again amongst the top 5 countries. So it is next to United States with over 1 lakh membership, and you can still encourage non-Rotarians to join your clubs, show the projects which you are doing, show your fellowships and your commitments. You will certainly encourage more of your business partners to join Rotary. So India not only goes top in giving, it's also in membership. So if we see the gains in membership over the last 10 years, India is again amongst the top 5 countries. It's not that it has 1 lakh membership and static at that. The percentage increase is also impressive. As you can see, most of the countries are from the east, and India is only next to Taiwan. So you know the priorities might be shifting. And you may, on a lighter vein, you may soon see that from headquartered in Chicago, we can have another office in the eastern zone, because membership is coming more from the eastern side of the world. So, so there is more reason to celebrate. We have increase in membership also very impressive from India. So as you know, these are the ways of giving. I only wanted to highlight this because the term gift is an area which is coming up very well, and it is coming, it will be counted as restricted giving. So restricted giving will have contributions to approved grants and also term gifts. So this is something you can make it popular amongst the corporate. And the other area which has not been highlighted very much and will not gain popularity in the districts is the life insurance policy. That is a very easy way of giving to foundation, which gives you a recognition for being a bequest member. So if it is a fully paid premium of insurance policy, please encourage the donor to endorse in favor of foundation, and he can be recognized as bequest member. This gives strengthens Rotary Foundation for the future, and is a very easy tool of strengthening the foundation for the future days. So please explore this area. This is an important tool which will strengthen the foundation further. So how is the funding composition set now? Many of the Rotarians are concerned that term gifts may be taking up the chunk of the funding which comes from the donor, but we still see the preference goes for annual fund, and there is 123 million which is the major chunk coming for annual fund. The rest is taken up by polio, is still a priority amongst the Rotarians, and they feel close to this cause, we still persist in the world. And then we have the restricted other funds, which includes the...
Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Well, friends, you all enjoyed that Indian Idol?
Rotary Idol.
Rotary Indian Idol. Yeah, Indian Idol for Rotary. But I think when Zarir Bhatia and approached me, can we have this Indian Idol, Rotary Idol, as usual that Rotary Bengaluru used to conduct? I told him just, yes, 3190, fine, we'll go ahead. I asked him a question, why not Indian Rotary Idol? He told instantly, yes, why not? We just decided immediately and taken a call to have this for the first time again. 3190 taking lead to conduct a Rotary Indian Idol, a national level singing competition for Rotarians and their family. You all witnessed that fantastic event, and at the time to give away the prizes, recognize those winners coming all the way from east to west, south to north. The right person to give away this prize is none other than the music legendary, the #1 music director of Karnataka, Guru Kiran is with us. May I request Guru to come up and give away the prize. And also I would like to request another great giver. I think instantly over just a cup of coffee, agreed to give $100,000 as an endowment. Now we are hoping for him to be a AKS member. He is with us. He's not a Rotarian, just friend of mine. He is here with us. Ravi Kumar, can I request you to join and give away the prize? Please come. Please give a big round of applause to Ravi Kumar. Me and Uday just met him, and while discussing buying coffee, he told, $100,000, take it. That's it. That's people like him can care Rotary.
Sir, just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how many of you have known this statement called a labor of love. Dorothy, where are you? I want Dorothy on stage with you, Zarir. Dorothy and Zarir Bata have been running the Indian Idol now. What started off as a small program at the Rotary Club of Bangalore for a fellowship evening in the fellowship committee has now grown, and it has now been taken, thanks to the DG, to national levels. We've had such wonderful participation, and I'd like all of you to please congratulate Dorothy and Zarir Bata for having worked. Now, how many of you saw those boxes on stage? Some of you saw those boxes on stage? Right. Now, because of budget considerations, they were actually pasting those boxes yesterday in the morning. Now, that is the labor of, that is the kind of passion and love that these two people have to make sure that such an event actually takes place. Zarir, take it away.
Friends, I also have my co-governor, Srinivas Malu, for 3170. Please join us to give away the prize and the dais. Please welcome my co-governor, Srinivas Malu from 3170, where we are having this conference.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you, DG sir, for all your support. And I understand the time constraints, but thank you. We at least, all the finalists had a great opportunity to perform in front of you. And if I can ask the finalists to quickly come here on stage, all of you, very quickly. Quick time. Yeah. As they come, I'd like to thank everybody who's been helpful, especially my club members who have helped me a lot. And there's one person who has helped me immensely, and that is Rotractor Amit Bahirat. Amit, can I have you on stage, please? So we will start. As I said, all of these performers are winners. Even though some of them may be getting some special prizes, but all of them are winners. The very fact that they have come all this way, they have the right attitude to perform. Thank you so much for taking all the trouble. Let me start. The best upcoming star goes to Tanya Shri.
Prakash, can you give us a drum roll?
It's gone. Incidentally, you may have noticed that the lady compere Anu, who was here, had to rush to Delhi immediately, and she couldn't continue the program. But we really appreciate the commitment that she had, because she just got news that her father had passed away this morning. I have to also thank our District Secretary, Satish Madhavan, who has been such a great help to me. Every day I have been waking him up early in the morning at 6 o'clock and calling him at night at 11:30 for something or the other, which he may have thought, why is he worrying me for all such small things? But, you know, I had to ask somebody, and he was most receptive, and he helped me a lot. Thank you very much, Satish. The Best Male Singer Award goes to Sumant. Can you give it? The Best Female Singer goes to Charu. Take it. Okay, we're coming close. there is a runner-up. The runner-up is Sanjan. And now for the Rotary Idol, the best of the best, the most talented, the most wonderful singer in all of Rotary India goes to Soumya. Soumya wins 25,000 rupees.
Announce the names, announce the names. Sareer, you want to say what about Mustaine, who helped you out on the...
Let's give a big round of applause to Mustaine, who helped me in comparing the show. He's such a wonderful compare, and he's just rose to the occasion. And Dr. Chandrasekhar, who has had to leave because he had a medical case, an urgent medical case.
And you have been the best audience I have ever seen.
Absolutely.
Right, we now move on to the lucky draw. Ravish Inar, are you there? Ravish 1, Ravish 2, Ravish. If you don't run up Ravish, it's gone. Assistant Governor which Rudresh, sir? Assistant Governor Rudresh, Metro Rudresh 1, Rudresh 2, Rudresh Beka Barbeku. Ravi Kumar of Chimney Hill. President Ravi Kumar of Chimney Hill, are you there? Ravi Kumar of Chimney Hill. One more. Sham Sundar of Rotary South. Please go, please go. Please go. Come on, South, we need a louder cheer. Where is South? Sham Sundar going 1. Sham Sundar 2. Sham Sundar. No, Sunil. No Sham Sundar, it's a bogey. It's a bogey. If there's no Sham Sundar, it's a bogey. Sir, it's a bogey. One more. Sorry, sir? Rajanna Gubbi. Rajanna Gubbi, are you there? 1, 2, 3, come on. Habibul Watan Malwali, are you there? Habibul 1, Habibul 2, Habibul 3, bogey, sir, one more. All right. Done. We move on to the next session. Let me call up on stage the following people. Please come up. Rotarian Vedagiri, Rotarian Nagesh Siddhanti, Rotarian Marigauda, Rotarian Satish Madhavan, Rotarian Mustaine Jiruwala, Rotarian Ratnadar, and Rotarian Mohan Kumar. May I request all of you to please take your assigned seats on the dais. Let me repeat, Rotarian Vedagiri, Rotarian Nagesh Siddhanti, are you there? Rotarian Marigauda, are you there? Right. Then our panelists, which is Satish Madhavan, Mustaine Jiruwala, Ratnadar, and Mohan. Is Mohan there? Mohan's not there. Okay, doesn't matter. Satish will manage with just two. Right? Okay, Mohan is not there. Mohan, you there? Come on, come up fast. Sir, videos.
Well, friends, now the last item for the evening, for the conference, that public image, but not the least one. So far, Rotary India was thinking that we should not give any public image for publicity for what we are doing. But of late we realize unless we tell others what we are doing, we will not be able to get more people to join Rotary and more hands to serve Rotary and more donation to foundation and more good jobs. So that's where the Rotary India is really focusing a lot on public image. 3190 has also taken this and given a lot of preference. Our team is really committed, team is working hard. 3 directors, Raghav Reddy, Maregoda, and they are all working hard with a lot of ideas. I know they need a lot of time to convey to you what all the plans and programs. Because of the want of time, we'll cut short this. I request the director Maregoda to quickly present what are possible today. We'll take up later once we go back during RA President visit. I'm going to give a slot for them to express and take it forward big way. Over to Maregoda.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. 110 ವರ್ಷದ ರೋಟರಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅವಿರತವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾಗ್ಯೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಬಲಗೈಲಿ ನೀಡಿದಂಥ ದಾನವನ್ನು ಎಡಗೈಗೂ ಸಹ ತಿಳಿಯಬಾರದೆಂಬಂಥ ಒಂದು ನಾಣ್ಣುಡಿಯಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ರೋಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಷ್ಕಲ್ಮಶವಾದ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಕಳೆದ ದಶಕಗಳಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು 1.2 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಜೋಡಣೆ ಮಾಡಲು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ನಾಯಕರು ಕಳೆದ ಕೆಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ರೋಟರಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಮೇಜನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಚುರಪಡಿಸಬೇಕೆಂಬ ನಿರ್ಣಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರ ಬಳಿಗೆ ರೋಟರಿ ಟು ನಾನ್ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತಲುಪಿಸಲು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಚಾರದ ವಿಷಯವಾಗಿ ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರಚಾರದ ವಿಷಯವಾಗಿ ರೋಟರಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಮೇಜನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಇದರಂತೆ ರೋಟರಿ RI ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರವರ ತೀರ್ಮಾನದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಲಕರು ನಮ್ಮಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಜನ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರನ್ನು ನೇಮಿಸುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಟರಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಮೇಜನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನಗಳ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಂತೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ಶ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ 3 ಜನ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಗುಂಪುಗಳಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಗೃತಿ, ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಎಂಬ ತಂಡಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಹೈಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟರಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಅವೆನ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತು 3190ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಚುರಪಡಿಸುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾನ್ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ಗೆ ರೋಟರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ತಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೋಸ್ ಹೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಥಾಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಗೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಬೈಕ್ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುವಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ರೋಟ್ರಿ 3190ದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಲ್ ಫ್ರೀ ನಂಬರನ್ನು 180042539190 ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ರೋಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುವಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಅವರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈವ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ರೋಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಖಾದಿ ಕೋಟನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸುಮಾರು 1000ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೋಟುಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾನ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತಲುಪಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ರೋಟ್ರಿ IT ಕಾರಿಡಾರ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಮಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್, ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಮತ್ತು ತುಮಕೂರು ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ವಾಕ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಚುರಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಚುರಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಗಾ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸುವಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋದವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮೆಗಾ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೀರೇಂದ್ರ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರು, ದರ್ಶನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೃಜನ್ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಅವರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ಥಾನ್. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನ್ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಜಾಥಾವನ್ನು ಸಹ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೀಮನ್ನು ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಸೌತ್ನವರು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸೌತ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನವರು ಪ್ರಚಾರಪಡಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಜನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಉಳಿಯುವಂಥ ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ತುರ್ತಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅತಿ ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸದ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ತಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಲಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ ಉಪೇಂದ್ರರವರಿಂದ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಗೆ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅಂಬಾಸಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋದವರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಪಬ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಟಿವ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ RI ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಬಸ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸುಮಾರು 200 ಬಸ್ಗಳ BMTC ಮತ್ತು KSRTCನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತು 3190 ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಇತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೋಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವು KSRTC ಮತ್ತು BMTCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಚಾರದ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿಯಾದಂಥ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರ ತತ್ಪರಿಣಾಮವನ್ನು ತಾವುಗಳು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ತಲುಪಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾಣಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ತಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿತಿದ್ದಂತೆ 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಂದ ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಣವು ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲಿದೆ. ಕಳೆದ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಸದಸ್ಯತ್ವ ತಂಡಗಳು ಸಾಧಿಸಿರುವ ವಿಶ್ವ ದಾಖಲೆಯ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಡದ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮವೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರಣೀಭೂತವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲ ಅರ್ಧ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯವೈಖರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಿಣಾಮಗಳನ್ನು ತಾವು ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇನ್ನುಳಿದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಸರ್ವಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗಿರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅದಮ್ಯ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸದಾ ಚಿರಋಣಿಗಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೇವೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Well, friends, CSR is one of the major advantage for we Rotarians to get connected with, and with a lot of corporates and get more money to our projects. So we have our very committed director for CSR, Past President Vedagiri from Rotary Grounds. Quickly, you already enlightened us with so many opportunity occasions. Today, just request you to quickly play a 2020 match.
Dignitaries on the dais and dignitaries of the dais, my dear Rotarians, ladies